How to fix no apps found to open URL error. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily fix this issue on your Android device. So let's say if you have some kind of links that will redirect you to certain apps, and if you tap on the link and if it does not redirect you to that specific app, then in that case what you have to do is open up your settings, scroll down to the app sections, and then you're going to have to reset your app preference first. Tap on the three dots and then tap on reset app preferences. So what it does is it will reset all the preferences for your disabled apps, for the notification restrictions for the apps, as well as default apps. So if you're sure you want to do this, click on reset. And after doing so, just find the app of which you're trying to open. So let's say if I have a link for this drive, what I'll do is go to my settings and then find Google Drive. Once you find it, tap on that particular app, and then you're going to have to go to storage, clear cache first, go back, and then you're going to have to go to set as default. Make sure you turn on the open supported links. And now once you tap on this link after changing the setting, you should be redirected to the video on the app. So if I go to my recent apps, as you can see, my Drive app has opened. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.